Today we'll talk about how can you enable notification sounds on your Bluesky app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. Then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do, you just go down here, then you click here on chat settings. You come to next here, you come here to notification sounds, click here on enable it. So then here automatically it's going to enable with you on your Bluesky app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.